sixth law. X to the minus n is equal to x to the m if x is not 0. For example, we have x to the negative 5 square. So the answer is x to the negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So by definition, that is equal to 1 over x to the 10. Now we have another example. X to the 5 times x to the negative 8. So the answer is x to the 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So by definition, that would be 1 over x cubed. What about letter C? We have x negative square over 3x to the 4th quantity negative 3. Since this is negative 2, we have to bring this down, so that will become now 1 over 3x to the 4th. No. X to the 4 plus 2, so that would become 6 quantity negative 3. So that is now take note that this term here is our x. So by definition, this will now become 1 over 3 x to the 6, and then this negative now becomes positive. So this is equal to, rule of division is invert the divisor and proceed to multiplication. So we will invert this one. So this is 1 times 3 x to the 6 over 1. So that is cube. And then that is now equal to, you can cancel 1. Actually, these two ones are immaterial. So what is left is 3. We'll multiply immediately. We'll just expand it immediately. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. And then x, 6 times 3 is 18. So the answer is 27 times x to the 18. Now we will have a shortcut with this one. If this is our first solution, we will make shortcut. This is our second. From here, we simplify the expression and we'll have this expression. So from here, you just invert this term immediately and change the sign. So inverting this, that will become 3x to the 6 to the positive 3. And we will not write anymore the 1, because if you divide this one with 1, it's still this number. So the answer is now 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Then x to the, where is my 6 now? X to the 6 times 3 is x to the 18. So you do not have to go to this process. You just invert the term immediately or the fraction, and then expand whatever is the operations applicable. Now let's go to our letter D. Take note that I am just using the same expression, but then I add some factors to y square. So this is now 1. What is left in the numerator is 2y square. And then over 3x to the, this will become now 4 plus 2, 6. Raised to the negative 3. Now from here, you just invert this term. Invert the divisor, because this is 1 over this term. So inverting this one, this will become 3x to the 6 over 2y square, that is raised to the third power, raised to the third power. So the answer is 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. X to the 6 times 3 is x to the 18. Then over 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times y, 2 times 3 equals 6. So the answer is 27x to the 18 over 8y to the 6. So I hope this. We have negative 3x quantity square times quantity x to the negative 3 times quantity 3x to the 5th. So this is now equal to negative 3x times negative 3x is 9x square. X times 3x is 3x minus 3 plus 5. So that would now be equal to 9x square times 3x square. So the answer is 27x to the 4th. Now what about this one? You have quantity negative 12c to the 4th minus quantity 1/2c to the 3rd times quantity negative 2c to the negative 2c square. So we can cancel this. So we have is now equal to negative 12c to the 4th minus, so what is left here is c cubed times minus c square is minus c 3 plus 2 quantity. So this is now equal to negative 12c to the 4th minus minus is positive. So you have c to the 5th. So the answer is c to the 5th minus 12. No, 12. Wait, sorry. Minus 12c to the 4th. So the answer is c to the 5th minus 12 to the 4th. Okay? I hope the examples that are given will help you analyze the solutions and analyze the expressions under possible solutions. Okay? So please subscribe and share so others may also know these solutions. Thank you.